Hello traders, today is 29th of December 2020 and I would like to share with you today's best forex trade analysis and the result. Today overall the market condition was consolidation, but as a part of the routine I did analysis. We managed few pips, so let's dig into the platform and let me show you today's best analysis. Okay, so just to recap traders, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis and all the live analysis recording available here in the training section just for the education purpose, and all the live analysis also broadcast in the analysis section. And then we'll keep an eye on all this analysis. If the price if the opportunities raise according to those analysis, we broadcast that information instantly through live RG commentary and plus in the analysis section. All right, so just to show you the recording that we did in how we analyze the market. We analyze the market in 4-hour instantly here, and then we do analysis in the shorter time frame to refine our entries and exit. Okay, so today you can see we had a 20 best analysis. You can see most of them consider banking some pips. Some of them we came out with a break even, like for example pound yen. You can see here a beautiful breakout short trade. All right, so let's dig into some of the best analysis. You can see euro yen. You can see overall market condition. We haven't seen any big move, but we managed to bank a few pips. You can see this was the counter short trade on euro yen. Aussie dollar, this was the pretty straightforward. We already have this breakout after the breakout pullback. As you can see, the price nicely developed pullback. So beautiful pullback long trade on Aussie dollar. Euro Swiss franc, this was the pretty straightforward triangle pattern breakout short trade. Then pound yen, this was again you can see consolidation, and this was the consolidation breakout short trade. As soon as the price hit to the previous low, we managed a few pips, around 18-19 pips, so not bad. Then pound dollar, again this was the breakout short trade, only few pips, around 15 pips. Then we had it dollar CAD. Dollar CAD we managed beautiful pips, especially dollar CAD and the dollar Swiss franc. So you can see this was the pretty straightforward. Price nicely developed a pullback as mentioned on the analysis. A beautiful pullback. Look at the bottom, momentum was bearish and price nicely respected. Beautiful pullback short trade on dollar CAD. Then we had dollar Swiss franc. This was the trade. This was the analysis of the New York session breakout short trade, bank beautiful pip. We had morning analysis as well for pullback. Let me share with you the morning analysis. This one, let me share with you guys here. This is the one. This is the morning analysis. You can see time 7:35, just before London Open. We were looking at pullback. As you can see, price nicely respected, and one and second and third touch. Beautiful. Look at the momentum, bearish. So as soon as the price reached to the support level, we banked some good pips. So you can see overall market condition was consolidation, but we managed 20 best analysis. As you can see, beautiful pip this morning. We had a beautiful breakout long trade on pound dollar. You can see that was a pretty straightforward, beautiful, based on the momentum breakout long trade. We had a pound yen trade too. This one again, we were expecting a pullback or breakout. Price nicely broken, a few more pips. So as you can see, we managed a beautiful pips based on the current analysis. So that's it for today. And if you would like to see all that analysis in real time, even if you don't have forex trading experience, we also provide forex coaching and training through this platform. Our objective is to train traders in a real-time market so they can understand effectively. Or even if you are struggling, most welcome, join our platform and see how it works. Or even if you are an experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you're gonna love that opportunities and bank profit every single day alongside with our professional trader. All right guys, that's it. Have a nice evening. As you know that this is the holiday season, so you might going to experience this type of consolidation because big boys are on holidays enjoying it. So most likely we're gonna be coming trade in action in January. All right, guys, all the best. Have a nice evening, and I'll see you tomorrow if there's any analysis. All the best.